Guys, we are over in Ohiopyle, Pennsylvania, and we are about to walk that, which is the Great Allegheny Passage. Let's walk it. We're gonna walk around Ohiopyle a little bit today. I definitely want to hit the Falls Pub, so I need a beer.
The
Pub, I need a pub. So,
but the bridge is really cool.
the bridge is super cool. This used to be a railroad. They used to run through here. We actually heard railroad trains last night. The Western Maryland Railroad, yep. Here we are, folks. Pause the video and give that a read. Awesome. Oh, there's another one. We'll just hit that quick before we go on the bridge. Wow. Try not to film people, you know.
Yeah, don't do that.
I'm very considerate. There's some of the Ohiopyle right there. Nice coffee house. Some of it's closed right now, a little off season, but there's still whitewater rafters.
Wow, there were kayakers all suited up and ready to go.
We'll be able to hopefully show you some of the whitewater.
Sorry to stand for a moment.
No problem.
Okay. Oh, I thought someone was coming behind us.
No, that's just me being woo woo woo.
It's not a swinging bridge.
It's not a swinging bridge. We'll make it swing. I might extend you guys up a little bit so we can get a better view, but this should be fine. There you go.
Just holding on.
There you go. Now, this is the Allegheny River, I do believe. Allegheny. There's the Allegheny Falls, Allegheny River. I'm automatically brain. Do you ever just have the moment where your brain completely shuts off? That just happened to me. There's the Allegheny Falls, and I just blanked out on this name of this body of water. Let me extend you up a little bit. Ohiopyle Falls, but there's also the Allegheny Falls. There is the Jacobs Falls. There's Cucumber Falls. This is really cool stuff here. There we go. Okay, and over that way will be the pub that we will be going to. So.
Oh, okay.
Yep. There. We have this bridge all to ourselves.
That's pretty crazy.
Nice. It's now a kissing bridge. Not a traditional kissing bridge. It doesn't have a roof to hide the young lovers.
Oh.
Humping bridge.
Oh, we're not alone anymore.
Oh, well, party's over.
Got it in while we could.
Zip. All right.
Oh, what's this sticker? What's this? Ohio State. Oh, a stop. What's that mean? Number 12.
Number 12. There you go, guys. Do not drop the phone.
Wow, what a nice blue sky. Good.
And of course, after the Ohiopyle Falls, which is on this side, that's when the whitewater really starts going. Woohoo! And I believe there's some wood ducks down there. You can see them; they're going down under the water for some fun. There they are. We got some wind on the bridge. Got some wind on the bridge. No, there's 4. They're going down underneath for some victuals. We're probably just going to get over here. On the other side of this road is the Fernville or Ferndale natural area, which also has a path. You can walk that path and get a personal view of Ferncliff, I believe it's called, Ferncliff Natural Area, and you can walk. There's a trailhead that goes around, and you can get on the other side of the Ohiopyle Falls and get more kind of like a private thing, because the more public viewing is on this side. But there's a trail that you can walk to get to the other side of the Ohiopyle Falls, or as Google Maps said, Ohiopyle.
Ohiopyle.
Ohiopyle. So there you go. But we'll be able to get down to the other end here, and then we'll walk. Can't say walk the road. We'll walk the Route 381, I believe, over to the pub if it's open. And that's the plan. There's actually a little path that looks like it goes right down to the water, because this looks like champion fishing water for trout. So awesome. We need to start bringing our fishing poles and stuff with us. It's one thing we haven't been doing.
We will modify the space and marge.
We're going to modify. Having a good time getting outdoors. Nice hearing that water too.
Mm-hmm. Sounds like freedom.
Freedom.
All right, people coming at us.
Yep. Going the other way now. And right here is the trail for the Ferncliff Natural Trail. And you can go down that way. It takes a little bit, but you can go down there and get your little private vista of the Ohiopyle Falls. So definitely check that out when you're here. Very nice. Well, let's flip you around real quick. Get up here so we can see the bridge a little bit.
He gets on his knees.
Okay, well that was a nice little walk, and we're gonna have some more fun over here at Ohiopyle, PA. This has been Paul
And Ryan.
PA Outdoors Couple. Cheers.
Get outdoors.
Boom.